Established in 1990, this park is a sanctuary for over 100 free-roaming animals, including geese, herons, peacocks, and more. It also houses around 25 species in enclosures, many of which are rescued from illegal trafficking or road accidents. In 2024, the park welcomed over 108,000 visitors, marking a significant increase from previous years. Visitors can enjoy activities like hiking, picnicking, and exploring various trails throughout the park. The park features an adventure area with tree climbing activities, offering fun for all ages. Future plans include the addition of a butterfly garden and paddle boats to enhance visitor experience. The park spans over 136,000 square meters, offering a vast green space for visitors to explore. The pedal boat ride is a complimentary recreational water sport. Each pedal boat accommodates up to 2 people, with a maximum combined weight of 200 kilo. Plans are underway to construct a butterfly garden and introduce paddle boats, enhancing the park's attractions and offering new experiences for visitors. The park is also expanding its facilities with the addition of 12 new animal enclosures, aiming to rescue and house more animals in need. park features an adventure area with activities like tree climbing and zip lining, catering to adventure enthusiasts of all ages. Located at Avenida Pedro Aid, the park is open from Tuesday to Sunday, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. with free admission.